guys, this is me Bipumo, and if you don't know me, I am a nursing student final year, and right now I'm doing my internship. So this video is going to be internship week and how it happens in India.
She's really Indian. No, I just remember.
Shadows will fade.
Udur and Mimi are walking together. Straight from Obi what?
God bless you. May the good God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi guys, we are going to Audi for breast cancer program, and let's go.
Cause I'm falling for you. Cause I'm falling for you.
And I am walking. So guys, I am in St. John's Auditorium, and today we have a cancer program. So let me show our ticket. This is the ticket for today's event. Since we are students, we are only paying 100 rupees, otherwise it is 500 rupees. And me, my friend and the other friend, we have to work in balcony, and we have to check whether students are bringing the Grace is the best.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Go down.
a warm welcome to each one of you. We are about to begin our show, which you
That you wanted, but I could be all that you need. When you get close to me, I lose control. And now that you're far away, I've lost it all.
चमेली चुपके अकेले पौआ चढ़ा के आए, आई चिकनी
going?
And we are lost, so lost, because they said there's a food festival and there will be a food, but we get nothing, and we search all our campus and we didn't get anything. So guys, we got wrong address and we are going back. We are actually so hungry.
Much later.
So Grace got her destination back.
I'm on fire until the day I expire. I'm on fire. Let's keep on building it higher. I'm on fire. You know I'll never get tired. I'm on fire.
Guys, we got the food fest destination and we got this, so we are going back and let's change sari. Now we are back to hostel. Now I'll be heading to my laundry and I'm wearing these headphones. Just love to listen to the music, right? And now we are near.
Kindly finish washing before 6:30 p.m. The door will be closed at sharp 7 p.m.
Got you dancing with me too. Spin around and break it down. Feeling like I'm on the cloud. Play my song and play it loud. I'm on fire. Let's keep on building it higher. I'm on fire. You know I'll never get tired. I'm on fire. Let's build it higher and higher. I'm on fire. Let's build it higher and higher. I'm on fire.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. But the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny. From the block like you Jenny. I know you special, girl, cause I know you.
Ain't no way, kissing, ain't no way. I need that black card in the code to the safe. Code to the safe, code to the safe.
Who's this girl? Who's this girl? I don't need you.
Stop this.
Who's this girl? Who's this girl? So this is the place for drying up, and this is my mirror. Okay, where are the empty spaces? Wow, such a nice weather. I think there is a lot of empty spaces, so I'm gonna put it here.
So guys, you have watched it. Comment below how was the video and how it happens in your college, your nursing college, and I'll be very happy to know about everything. And if you have any questions, just comment below. That's it, and please subscribe to my channel. Every Saturday there will be new videos, okay? Not only the nursing part, but some other, I don't know, pranks maybe next time. Shall I try? Okay, it's a poll, yes or no, just comment below. Okay, so this is it. Love you all. What I'm doing.
Would you be the preacher? Would you be my? What's the done, the done, done? I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it. What's the done, the done?